Redeemer, our teachers encourage us to be curious and courageous and Christ-led. My name's Jasper and I love Redeemer.
I have learnt leadership, courage and so many different values. It's like a second home to me.
Redeemer has this great outdoor education program.
Redeemer is a really friendly school. You know everyone.
I'm Tanya Crooks, Principal of Redeemer Lutheran College. Here we encourage our students to be curious about the world around them, courageous and try new things and persevere, and to be Christ-led, serving the community here and abroad. In the early years, we hope to inspire a genuine love of learning through our nature-based program in Prep and 1, through to exciting project-based learning in our upper junior. There are opportunities for every student to develop their gifts and talents.
At Redeemer, you can make lots of friends and be whoever you want to be. I have awesome teachers. They help me with math.
My name is Nicholas, and what I like about this school is technology. In technology, we get to build Lego Mindstorm robots, as well as try to get through a maze.
But every Year 9 student gets to go away to a camp called Mount Binga for 4 weeks. This camp, it's where you have no technology, and when you're away from home, it's a great time for students to really discover things about themselves and about their friends. And you get to do all sorts of activities like high ropes, hikes, but you also get to do lots of farm skills like making fires, chopping wood, that kind of thing.
Redeemer's award-winning music program has developed a statewide reputation, with 18 quality ensembles in all 3 disciplines for students in years 2 to 12.
I started my music journey in Year 5 and have progressed through up into senior band, and it's a really great honour to be in senior band. It's one of the best bands in the state. The senior band has really shaped me as a musician. It has really pushed me to be the best. We have a really good music tutoring program here, and that's where people come from outside of school and they tutor you in their specific section. So I am currently having lessons with my brass teacher. He has really pushed me to get that practice in, and he's really good.
There are so many opportunities that come through the music program here at Redeemer and all the different bands and ensembles. There's a string ensemble, there are many different choirs, and all of those have different aesthetics or competitions and performances that you can go to. And even this term we're having a piano and vocal competition where we invite guest adjudicators to come and listen to the talent that we have at Redeemer.
I love soccer. I love soccer because we get to play with our friends and we get to work as a team.
I really love volleyball at Redeemer. You work in a team and it's just great to be able to play sports with your friends.
Volleyball is a great sport. Yeah, I've been playing volleyball at Redeemer since grade 7. Playing volleyball is a way we can all get together and participate in one sport that we all enjoy.
My favourite sport's swimming because my coach went a long way with the sport, and he really helps with my technique and then working on my speed to help me go even faster.
As a Lutheran school, we're committed to developing strong student leaders who go out into the world and serve the community. We look forward to welcoming you to Redeemer Lutheran College, where our hope is in Christ.